गोयच्या दर्या देगेंचेर टार्स बॉल येवपाचें प्रमाण दर वर्सा वाडत आशिल्ल्यान ताचो सैमाचेर खूब परिणाम जाता। ते खातीर हाचेर बेगीनूच उपाय काडचो पडटलो अशें विधान पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांणी केलां। गोयच्या वेगवेगळ्या दर्या देगेंचेर आयिल्ले टार बॉल्स नितळ करपाचें काम सरकारान सध्या सुरू केलां। तशेंच ह्या टार बॉल्सांचे नमुने घेवन तांची चांचणी करची अशें गोंय प्रदूषण मंडळाकूय सांगलां। पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन बेरेस्तारा सांजे दक्षिण गोयच्या आरोशी दर्यादेगेची पळोवणी केली। ह्या वेळार नुस्तेमार खात्याचे अधिकारी, पर्यटन खात्याचे अधिकारी तशेंच प्रदूषण मंडळाचे अधिकारी लेगीत हाजीर आशिल्ले।
Tar balls and tar on the coastline has been a challenge that has been every year to year. There are certain things that we need to be looking at. Last few weeks, media have been complaining of this, which is an annual affair. Spillage in high seas leading to these issues, and environmentally also we are needing to see how it has to be handled. Goa State Pollution Control Board has been given the mandate to issue directions or orders for cleaning up the thing. As of now, the beach cleaning guys have been cleaning up the whole thing. We had come to ROC beach to take a first-hand information about what exactly is happening. हाज्या वयल्यान आमकां फुडें कशें करपाक जाय, कितें करपाक जाय, we'll have to find solutions. Whether backward integration चलता, how we can use this or how we can to resolve this. Having it with hazardous people who are handling hazardous waste, तांचे कडेन टायम सद्या जो केल्लो आसा करूंक सोदतात, तातूंतल्यान how far we can go about. From the cleaning aspect, how we can look at it. A lot of things need to be discussed, but this is a serious issue as far as tar balls or the tar on the coastline is concerned, which spoils the coastline and also environmentally destructive. ते करपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता आज जो ROC येवन व्यू घेतला, since this is one of the points which has been coming, we have asked the Goa State Pollution Control Board to have a sampling check. Also, we have asked the beach cleaning people to pick up some samples of the water, so that whether it's skin irritant or whatever is happening, we need to know what is happening. So ते करून चेक करपा खातीर आमी सांगिल्लें आसा. I think we'll take a call on what exactly is happening after we pick up everything. Reports are coming and do the needful. We may have to talk to Ministry of Shipping at the center, Minister of Ports, and also align with the Chief Minister and get certain things moving and directions being given.